4297 Thorngate Court is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome with a bright and open roommate floor plan. It is located on a quiet cul-de-sac in Ackworth, Georgia, minutes from Kennesaw State University, great Cobb County public schools, shopping and dining establishments. This home has no mandatory homeowner association fees. With new paint inside and out, new shutters, a new air conditioning unit, and new laminate wood flooring, this home has been updated just for you. But wait, there's more. Complimentary lawnmower, weed whacker, and other yard equipment come with the house. This home truly has it all. The first floor has easy-to-clean laminate wood flooring, a fireplace, and plenty of windows to bring in the outside light. This beautiful and open living room space continues into the neat and clean kitchen, which has plenty of cabinet and counter space. All kitchen appliances are included with the sale of this home. Imagine the dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, washer, and dryer, all ready to go as soon as you move in. Cooking, heating, and hot water all use clean natural gas. The cook in the house will not feel isolated in this kitchen because with the open view to the living room, he or she can keep up with everything going on right from the kitchen. Upstairs from the 2-story foyer are the 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. The stairs are wood as well as the upstairs landing floor. Again, plenty of outside light fills this home and adds warmth and cheerfulness. Both the master bedroom and second bedroom are carpeted and have private tiled floor baths. This second master bedroom could also make a great office. With a front window overlooking the quiet cul-de-sac, you can surely enjoy this room. The master bedroom is large and has ample closet space. The master bath can be hidden behind 2 doors, giving the entire space privacy. The master bath has 2 sinks, tile floor, shower, and garden tub. The home's back deck overlooks woods and a private fenced backyard. Enjoy the privacy on your own backyard bench, listening to the songbirds in the morning, and from your deck in the afternoon as you grill your favorites. Yes, this home is awaiting you. Come and visit soon. Call me for an appointment or come with your realtor, but let me caution you, you may never want to leave.